We are going to continue with the conversion. The conversion from 60 to 50 or 50 to 60. Number one, get the manual. Number two, identify in the AC board the actual configuration. The configuration that you have today. And verify which one will be the configuration that you wanted. Oh, I have actually this one and I need that one. Oh, I need modify this with this and put together this, and my phase 1 will be this, my phase 2 will be that one, and the neutral will be this one. And I need that you take your time analyzing. In this moment, I have phase 1 here, phase 2 here, neutral and ground together. This is free, this is free. Okay, this is exactly that one. And I need the last one. Oh, I need to remove this and move that plate here. Yeah, take your time. Take a picture of the actual situation or make a drawing with colors and make another drawing of the future. Take your time, and after that, change the positions to the new position that you wanted. This is the step number 3. It's clear, guys? In this moment, this generator is European and have this configuration, 230, 50. Follow me, my friend. Remember this, excuse me. Remember this diagram. You have the output cables entering in the board. The output cables enter here in the board. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see? Those cables enter here in that board, that board. That board is this. Is this board over there. Okay, that one. And after that, the cable goes into the voltage regulator. That's the voltage regulator. That one. And after that, enter in the main breaker. After that, enter here in the main breaker. Okay, I need to verify what is the organization of those cables in this moment. European generator. What cables I need move it? I need move it this with this. Yeah? That's clear, guys? Yeah. And you do that. 2 pictures, 2 diagrams, and finally you do the conversion. Pay attention. Originally, that generator was 230, 50 Hertz. I moved the positions in the board for 240, 60 Hertz. I verified the movement that I did, guys. I verified that, and I am 300% sure that my movements are correct. And now, I am ready to start the generator with a 240, 60 Hertz?
No.
Yeah, I finished?
No.
I finished the conversion?
No. The panel.
What additional I need?
The panel has to be converted.
What panel?
Right? The AC panel. The regular.
No, the AC panel is another thing. I am talking only about the generator.
Single phase or double phase?
I need change the RPMs because originally in this moment is 50 Hertz. How many RPMs? For 4 poles? 1500. I need change. I need adjust here in the fuel injection pump.
18.
I need added 300 RPMs. No? Okay. I need added 300 RPMs at the fuel injection pump in the voltage regulator.